Hi guys, I'm Becky from Jungle Scout, and today we're here to talk about mistakes that we've made on Amazon and how you can avoid them. If you're new to the selling game, then don't fret, we completely understand how nerve-wracking it can be, worrying about making mistakes that will cost you your hard-earned money. Now don't worry, we've been there, done that, and now we're here to tell you the exact things to avoid to make sure you become a success. First of all, your product research, make sure that you actually do it. So many people think product research can be done in a few days or a few hours in fact, but unfortunately, as much as we'd love this is not the case. And we suggest at least 40 hours for your product research. Even if you do find a product that you like sooner, it's a good idea to keep looking for more so you can pick the best of a good bunch, rather than just picking the first one that you find. Our product tracker allows you to track a listing sales over a period of time. And we recommend that you do this for at least 2 weeks, preferably 4, as the longer that you track sales, the more confident you can be about them. I know that you'll be keen to start ordering and getting your business running, and while we're a big advocate for moving quickly, this is just one step where you're going to want to take your time and make sure that you've chosen the right product for you. Take this step very seriously, as your product will be your main reasoning for your Amazon business succeeding. Now, some people start selling on Amazon and think that undercutting their competitors will be the winning formula to selling lots of units. Whilst this may make sense initially, this is actually a huge mistake. To sell on Amazon FBA, you obviously need to pay fees. So this should be taken into consideration when choosing a product and choosing your price point. We've found that sticking to a price point of at least $15 is a good starting point, as from here you'll be making a decent profit as long as you try to keep your fees as low as possible. Next on the list is to make sure that you optimize your listing, and this is absolutely crucial to ensuring that your product doesn't fail. We're visual creatures, we like pretty things, and we'll mostly always go for the option that looks better. This goes hand in hand with your listing, and make sure that your listing is optimized to the fullest so you have better chances at grabbing your customers and then converting them into sales. Now, we do actually have plenty of videos on our channel that will explain how to do this in more detail, so I'm not going to go too in depth right now. But the main thing to do here is making sure that your photos are of professional quality. Making your product look good is half the battle here. Ensuring that your descriptions and titles are well written with correct spelling and grammar is also another must, and not forgetting those keywords in both. We have a free listing grader here at Jungle Scout, which will give you tips on where to improve your listing, and I'm going to leave the link to that down below. Always, always, always ask for more than one shipping estimate. Now, this is where a lot of people fail and get handed the first price and just accept. As a minimum, ask for 3 quotes. This will make it look like you know what you're talking about and have experience, which will make them take you a little more seriously and less likely to take advantage of you. Last, but by no means least, is customer reviews. And did you know that 92% of people now read online reviews as part of their buying process? And this is huge. So having none will affect your sales, as people will always pick the listing which has more reviews, as it gives them confidence that the product will meet their expectations. Setting up an email campaign asking for feedback and reviews once a customer has purchased your product not only increases your chances of receiving a review, but also builds rapport between you and your customer, meaning that the chances of them coming back to you to purchase from you again will be dramatically higher. So hopefully that's had some pretty useful information in there that's going to help you avoid these common mistakes when you start out on Amazon. And who's to say that you only need this advice when starting? You can actually fix these mistakes at any time. If you have any mistakes, experiences that you'd like to share with us and with everyone else, and any tips or tricks, then just leave those in the comments below. Make sure that you give this a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from us, and I'll see you lot in the next one. Bye guys.